Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 18 of the practice exam 1, which covers chapter 1, 2 and 3. The functions f and g are defined as follows: f of x equal to 5x plus 4 and g of x equal to 2x cube plus 2. Find f of negative 5 and g of negative 4. The problem can be interpreted as f at the value of x, when the input is x, the output is 5x plus 4. And g at x, where the input is x, the output is 2x cube plus 2. So the question is asking us to find f at negative 5. So x is the input and that becomes negative 5. So we have to evaluate f at the value negative 5. So you have to take the function f and then change this x to the value negative 5. So it is 5 times negative 5, that is 5x plus 4. 5 times negative 5, which is negative 25, plus 4, which is equal to negative 21. So f at the value negative 5 equal to negative 21. The second part is asking us to find out g at negative 4. So we have to evaluate the function g at the input negative 4. So this is equal to, you take the function g and change the x value there to negative 4. So it will be 2 times negative 4 cube plus 2. So it is 2 times, make sure to put the cube and negative 4 inside the parentheses. So you are going to multiply negative 4 by itself 3 times. So negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. That will be a negative 64 plus 2. So it is 2 times negative 64. That is negative 128 plus 2. So that will be a negative 126. So g at the value at the input negative 4 equal to negative 126. Hope this video helps.